Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make these jalapeno poppers today. We're going to slice our jalapenos and clean them and fill them with a nice cream cheese and scallions and all kinds of good stuff. This is a popular Tex-Mex appetizer and it's very good. Before we do anything, if you would sub, I'd really appreciate it. Turn on the notification button and let's go do this. All right, let's work on the filling for our jalapeno poppers. I have 4 ounces or half a package of softened cream cheese here, a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and a cup of shredded Monterrey Jack cheese. I'm gonna add an egg yolk. I have 6 pieces of bacon, which I cooked and then I just crumbled them. So I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add 2 scallions, which I finely chopped. I did the dark, the light green, and the white. I'm gonna have about 3 tablespoons of cilantro. Add a couple teaspoons of lime juice. A teaspoon of ground cumin. I'm gonna say half a teaspoon of cumin, guys. A teaspoon is too much. Pepper. And I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of breadcrumbs. I'm using Panko. You can use any breadcrumb you want. So 1. So we're now gonna mix this well. I'm gonna set this aside. We're gonna get our jalapenos ready. I am gonna wear gloves, as you can see, because it's a lot and I don't want my hands to burn. So I'm gonna cut off the stem and I'm gonna cut them in half. And with a little spoon, we're gonna take out the membrane and the seeds. Just like that. So I'll do all of them and I'll come back. All right, now I'm going to stuff each one of these jalapenos. By the way, I didn't tell you, but I had 8 of these really big ones. Nice and stuffed, guys. If you wanted to just cut the whole jalapeno in half and leave part of the stem on this, you could do that as well. That's how we're gonna fill them. I am heating an oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius, 230. So go ahead and do that while, before you start filling your jalapenos. All right, I'm gonna finish and I'll come back. Okay, I put these inside my pan. You can put them on a baking sheet, line it, it's fine. And I'm going to bake these for between 14 and 18 minutes. Okay, I'll check them at 14, we'll see. I want the jalapeno to be softened, the cheeses to be nice and melted and delicious in there. I'll see you when these are ready. So I'm gonna make a fast little dip for our poppers. This is optional, guys. I'm going to use ranch. I have a homemade ranch recipe for you. I'll put it in the video. So you can go check it out if you want, but this is just store-bought ranch. So we'll do about a cup. And I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of sriracha. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in the fridge until the jalapenos are ready. All right, guys, these were in the oven for 20 minutes. Ay, 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 they smell heavenly. I am gonna let them cool down for about 5 minutes and we'll serve them, okay? As you can see, I'm serving this with that little ranch sauce that we made. So let's taste this. This is really good, guys. The jalapeno is still a little spicy, but it's tamed with all that filling in there. It's delicious. And you saw, it's not very hard to make either. I hope you make this, and I hope you love it, guys. If you could share this video with your friends and family, I would appreciate it so much. And if you'd like and comment, that'd be just awesome. I'm gonna see you soon. Thanks for watching.